2, 1, die.
Our first match for an alliance will unfortunately be eliminated. HighTide and SuperNURDs both placing L4 Coral. HighTide already coming back, ready to place another one. They get it on. SuperNURDs misses theirs. Blue side of the field almost have an L2, but L4 might make it on as Uni-Rex drops down on top of it. Alliance 1 with a firm lead coming out of Kelly off 33-9. HighTide almost tipping over but getting an algae up into their net. On the other side of the field, Uni-Rex grabbing a coral and placing it up on L4. There they go. Arborbotics doing the same. SuperNURDs placing L4, grabbing an algae and now putting it up into their net all in one swift motion. Increasing red lead on the Blue Alliance. Uni-Rex raising up that coral to the 4th level of their reef and positioning themselves over the end.
Colorful! Houston, Panda! Colorful! Colorful! Colorful!
30 seconds to go, and red is at 88 points, blue is at 25. Uni-Rex placing a coral up on the 4th level. On the blue reef, doing the same for the red. So far in this match, and there's still a minute to go with the score 112-37. HighTide taking on placing L3 The SuperNURDs grabbing an algae from the ground and going over to their net. Uni-Rex grabbing a coral off the ground next to their processor. We'll see what they do with that. 80-15, not moving at the moment. In the Red Alliance side. HighTide placing an algae up. 30 seconds to go. The score is 150-61. Alliance 1 in the lead over Alliance 5. Uni-Rex maybe having some battery problems or jittering around, but they're back at it. They drop an L4 coral down onto the ground. Colorful Panda going back over to their fourth station. SuperNURDs is in the air for the Red Alliance. 10 seconds to go. Will HighTide get up? Yes, they do. 2 red robots on deep cages and 8 seconds remaining. Will Panda and the party they're trying to without interfering with any of the robots. 3, 2, 1.